हेलो गाइस, आप लोग कैसे हो। मैं अजीत प्रताप यादव आप लोगों के लिए नई वीडियो लेके आ गया। आज इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 9 का साइंस, एटम एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स को। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। यहाँ पे मैं क्या 100 क्वेश्चन के माध्यम से मैं आपको क्या है इसको डिस्कस करूँगा। वीडियो विल बी ऑन हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश बोथ। चैप्टर 3 एटम एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स। The question are categorized and topic on easier learning to revision law of conservation mass। तो सबसे पहले हम इसमें क्या है लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन मास सेक्शन 1 में लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन मास से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन करेंगे। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। स्टेट द लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन मास। द लॉ स्टेट दैट द मास कैन neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. The total mass of the reactant is equal to the total mass of the product. State the law of conservation mass. The law states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. The total mass of reactant is equal to the total mass of the product. Question number 2. Who proposed the law of conservation mass? Answer is Antoine Lavoisier. Antoine Lavoisier was the proposed the law of conservation mass. Question number 3. State the law of constant proportion. The law states that a chemical compound always consists of same element combined together in the same proportion by mass. Law states that chemical compound always consist of the same element combined together in the same proportion by mass. Who proposed the law of constant proportion? Joseph Proust. Who proposed the law of constant proportion? Joseph Proust proposed the law of constant. Question number 5. In experiment, 5 gram of calcium carbonate on heating give 2.8 gram of calcium oxide and 2.2 gram of the carbon dioxide. Show that this obey the law of conservation mass. For this solution, we mass of the reactant equal to होगा mass of product. तो mass of reactant is calcium carbonate is the reactant. So mass is given is 5 gram on heating. Mass of product equal to mass of calcium oxide plus mass of carbon dioxide. Given mass of calcium oxide is given 2.8 and mass of carbon dioxide is given 2.2. Add this, you get 2.2 plus 2.2 is equal to 5. Since mass of reactant equal to mass of product, hence the law of conservation of mass is verified. इसमें क्या है, mass of reactant is equal to the mass of product, so this reaction is obey the law of conservation mass. Now question number 6. Carbon dioxide contain carbon and oxygen in the mass ratio 3:8. What mass of carbon will react to the 50 gram of oxygen? Let the mass of carbon be x. The ratio is x upon 50 equal to 3 by 8. Therefore, x equal to 3 upon 50 upon 8 equal to 1 upon 50 equal to 18.75 grams. Question number 7. Ammonia gas contain nitrogen and hydrogen in the mass ratio 14:3. What mass of nitrogen will combine with 15 gram of hydrogen? Let the mass of nitrogen be x. The ratio of x upon 15 equal to 14 upon 30. Therefore, x 14 upon 15 upon 3 equal to 70 gram. Now let's Dalton atomic theory से related question. We will take the question related to Dalton atomic theory. Now question number 8. Who proposed the atomic theory? John Dalton. Answer is John Dalton. Who proposed the atomic theory? So answer is John Dalton. Question number 9. List any two postulates of Dalton atomic theory. Answer: the matter is made up of extremely small individual particles called atoms. First postulate of the Dalton atomic theory: matter is made up of extremely small individual particle called atom. Second, atom of given element are identical in mass and chemical property. Atom of given element are identical in mass and chemical property. Now let's move to question number 10. Which postulate of Dalton atomic theory can be explained the law of conservation mass? Answer is that atoms are indivisible and can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Question number 10. Which postulate of Dalton atomic theory can explain the law of conservation? The atoms are indivisible and can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Question number 11. Which postulate of Dalton atomic theory can be explained with the law of constant proportion? Answer is that compound are formed when atoms of different element combine in a fixed ratio. Question number 12. Which parts of Dalton atomic theory was later changed? Which part of Dalton atomic theory was later changed? The postulate that atoms are indivisible was changed. As we now know, atoms are made up of subatomic particle, electrons, protons, and neutrons. Which parts of Dalton which part of Dalton theory was later changed? The postulate that atoms are indivisible was changed. As we now know atoms are made up of subatomic particles, electron, proton, and atom. Atoms, element, and symbol. Now move to next topic: atom, element, and compound. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of an element. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that can exist and may or may not have independent existence. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of an element that can exist and may or may not be independent existence. Now, question number 14. What is the symbol of gold? AU, from Latin arum. Aurum. It, gold name of gold is derived from the Latin language to the aurum. Aurum. That's why its symbol is AU. Question number 15. What is the symbol of iron? Iron Fe, the Latin name of ferrum. Question number 6. What is the symbol of sodium? Na, from natrium. Its name is derived from the Latin language, that is natrium. That's why its symbol is Na. Question number 17. Define atomicity. The number of atoms present in one molecule of an element or substance is called atomicity. Define atomicity. The number of atoms present in one molecule of an element or a substance is called its atomicity. Define atomicity. Question number 20. Define atomicity. The number of atoms present in one molecule of an element or substance is called atomicity. Define atomicity. The number of atoms present in one molecule of an element or substance is called atomicity. Question number 18. What is the atomicity of argon and chlorine? What is the atomicity of argon and chlorine? Answer is argon is monoatomic, chlorine is diatomic. What is the atomicity of argon and chlorine? Argon is monatomic, chlorine is diatomic. Question number 19. Classify the following as a monatomic, diatomic, or polyatomic molecule: helium, oxygen, ozone, phosphorus. Helium is monatomic, oxygen is diatomic, ozone is triatomic, phosphorus is polyatomic. Question number 19. Classify the following as a monatomic, diatomic, triatomic, or polyatomic molecule: helium, oxygen, ozone, and phosphorus. Answer: helium is monatomic, oxygen is diatomic, ozone is triatomic, phosphorus is polyatomic. Question number 20. What is the significance of symbol? A symbol represents a specific element, one atom of that element, and a specific mass of that element. What is the significance of a symbol? A symbol represents a specific element, one atom or that element, and a specific mass of the element. Molecules and atom. What is a molecule? Answer: a molecule is the smallest particle of an element, a compound that is capable of independent existence and show all the property of that substance. Question number 22. What is a molecule of an element? Give an example. A molecule containing atom of the same element. Example: oxygen, hydrogen. Question number 23. What is a molecule of a compound? Give an example. A molecule containing atom of different element. Example: H2O, water, carbon dioxide. Question number 23. What is a molecule of a compound? Give an example. A molecule containing atom of different element. Example: H2O, water, carbon dioxide. Question number 20. What is an ion? An ion is a charged particle formed when an atom or group of atoms gain or lose one or more electrons. What is an atom? What is an ion? Answer is question number 24. What is an ion? An ion is charged particle formed when an atom or group of atoms gain or lose one or more electrons. What is an? An ion is charged particle formed when an atom or group of atom gain or lost one or more electron. It's called ions. Question number 24 is cation. Give an example. A positively charged ion is called cation. Example: sodium ion, calcium ion. Question number 25. What is what is a cation? Give an example. A positively charged ion is called a cation. Question number 25. What is a cation? Give an example. Question number 24. What is a cation? Give an example. A positively charged ion is called a cation. Example: sodium ion, calcium ion. Question number 25. What is a cation? Give an example. Answer: a positively charged ion is called a cation. Question number 20. What is a cation? Give an A positively charged ion is called cation. Question number 26. What is an anion? Give an example. A negatively charged ion is called an anion. What is anion? Give an example. A negatively charged ion is called an anion. Example: chloride ion, oxide ion, O2. Question number 27. Write the chemical formula of the hydroxide OH ion. Question number 20. Write the chemical formula for the ammonium ion NH4 plus. Question number 29. What is polyatomic ion? Give one example. A group of atoms carrying a net charge is called a polyatomic ion. Example: nitrate ion NO3 minus. What is a polyatomic ion? Give one example. A group of atoms carrying a net charge is called a polyatomic ion. Example: nitrate ion. What is a polyatomic ion? Give one example. What is a polyatomic ion? Give one example. A group of atoms carrying a net charge is called a polyatomic ion. Example: nitrate ion NO3 minus. What is a polyatomic ion? Give one example. A group of atoms carrying a net charge is called a polyatomic ion. Example: nitrate ion. And chemical formula and valencies. Next टॉपिक हम कवर करें केमिकल फार्मूला एंड बैलेंस. व्हाट इज केमिकल फार्मूला? क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. व्हाट इज अ केमिकल फार्मूला? A chemical formula of a compound is a symbolic representation of its composition, showing the number and types of atoms present in molecules. What is a chemical formula? A chemical formula of a compound is a symbolic representation of its compound, showing the number and type of atom present in one molecule. Question number 30. What is a chemical formula? What is a chemical formula? Answer is a chemical formula of compound is a symbolic representation of its composition, showing the number and type of atom present in one molecule. Question number 31. What is valency? Valency is the combining capacity of an element. It is the number of electrons an atom can lose, gain, or share to become stable. What is valency? Answer: valency is the combining capacity of an element. Valency is the combining capacity of an element, is the number of electron an atom can lose, gain, or share to become stable. Question number 32. What is the valency of oxygen? Answer: to it gain 2 electrons to achieve a stable octet. Question number 32. What is the valency of oxygen? Question number 32. Question number 32. What is the valency of oxygen? Answer is that 2. It gains 2 electrons to achieve the stable octet. Question number 33. What is the valency of aluminium? Answer is 3. It loses 3 electrons to achieve a stable octet. What is the valency of aluminum? It loses 3 electrons to achieve a stable octet. Question number 32. How is the formula of compound formed? The formula of compound is formed by writing the symbols of the element involved and their valency criss-cross method to get the simplest ratio of atoms. How is the formula of compound formed? The formula of compound is formed by writing the symbols of the element involved and their valencies criss-cross method to get the simplest ratio of atom. Write the chemical formula of sodium chloride. Answer is the NaCl. Write the chemical formulas of water. Answer is H2O. Question number 37. Write the chemical formula of carbon dioxide. Answer is CO2. Question number 38. Write the chemical formula of magnesium oxide MgO. Question number 39. Write the chemical formula for calcium chloride. Question number 39. Write the chemical formula of calcium chloride. Answer is CaCl2. Question number 40. Write the chemical formula for aluminium oxide. Answer is Al2O3. Question number 41. Write the chemical formula of sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Question number 41. Write the chemical formula for sodium hydroxide. Question number 41. Write the chemical formula. Question number 41. Write the chemical formula for sodium hydroxide. Answer is NaOH. Question number 40. Write the chemical formula for ammonium sulfate, NH4 twice SO4. Question number 43. What is the full form of IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Question number 43. What is the full form of IUPAC? Question number 43. What is the full form of IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Question number 44. Now move to the atomic mass and molecular mass related question. Now question 40. What is the atomic mass? The atomic mass of an element is the average relative mass of its atom as compared to the mass of a carbon 12 taken as a 12 unit. Atomic mass of element is the average relative mass of an atom as compared to the mass of the carbon atom taken as unit. What is the unified atomic mass? Unit U. It is the mass unit equal to exactly 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon 12. What is unified atomic mass unit U? It is a mass unit equal to exactly 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon 12. Question number 46. The atomic mass of oxygen is 16. What does it mean? Answer. It means one atom of oxygen is 16 times heavier than 1/12 mass of one carbon atom. Answer. It means one atom of oxygen is 16 times heavier than 1/12 mass of one carbon atom. Question number 47. What is the molecular mass of a substance? The molecular mass of substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of that substance. What is the molecular mass of a substance? The molecular mass of substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of that substance. Question number 48. Calculate the mass of water, H2O. Atomic mass H1U O 16U. Answer. Molecular mass of H2O is equal to 2 multiplied by atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 multiplied atomic mass of oxygen equal to 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied 16 plus 2 multiplied 16 equal to 18U. Question number 49. Calculate the mass of carbon dioxide. So atomic mass of carbon is 12 unit, oxygen is 16 unit. Answer. Molecular mass of carbon dioxide is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 16 equal to 12 plus 32 equal to 44 unit. Question number 50. Calculate the molecular mass of nitric acid, HNO3. Atomic mass hydrogen equal to 1, nitrogen equal to 14, oxygen equal to 16. Molecular mass of nitric acid is HNO3 is equal to 1 plus 14 plus 3 multiplied by 16 equal to 1 plus 14 plus 48 equal to 63 unit. 51. Calculate the molecular mass of sucrose. Atomic mass carbon 12, hydrogen or oxygen 16. Molecular mass of sucrose will be 12 multiplied by 12 plus 22 multiplied by 1 plus 11 multiplied by 16 equal to 144 plus 22 plus 1 equal to 342 unit. Question number 52. What is the formula unit mass? The formula unit mass of any compound is the sum of atomic masses of all atoms in formula unit of that compound. Question number 52. What is the formula unit mass? Answer is that the formula unit mass of an ionic compound is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms in formula unit of the compound. Question number 53. Calculate the formula unit mass of sodium chloride NaCl. The atomic mass of sodium is 23 unit, chlorine 35.5 unit. Formula unit mass of sodium chloride is 23 plus 35.5, 58.5 U. 54. Calculate the formula unit mass of calcium chloride, CaCl. The atomic mass of calcium is 40 U, chlorine 35.5 U. Answer. Formula unit mass of calcium chloride is 40 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 35.5 equal to 40 plus 17 equal to 11 U. The mole concept. Now, fifth question number. What is mole? A mole is the amount of substance that contains the same number of particle, atoms, molecules, or ions. There are atoms exactly 12 grams of carbon 12. 1 mole is the amount of substance that contain the same number of particle atom molecule ion as their atom is exactly 12 gram of carbon boron. Question number 56. What is average Avogadro number? The number of particle atom molecular ion present in one molecule of substance. Its value is 6.022 multiplied by 10 to power 23. What is Avogadro number? The number of particle atom molecule or ion present in one mole of substance. Its value is 6.022 multiplied by 10 to power 23. Question number 57. What is the mass of one mole of substance? The mass of one mole of substance is equal to its atomic mass or molecular mass expressed in gram. It is also called molar mass. Question number 57. What is the mass of one mole of substance? Answer is that the mass of one mole of substance is equal to its atomic mass or molecular mass. Expressed in gram, it is also called molar mass. Question number 58. What is the molar mass of oxygen? O2. Answer is that molecular mass of oxygen is 32. Therefore, molecular mass of is 32 gram per mole. Question number 59. What is the mass of 0.1 mole of water? H2O. Molecular mass of water is 18 unit. Molar mass of 1 mole of H2O equal to 18 gram. Therefore, mass of 0.5 mole of equal to 0.5 18 equal to 9 gram. Calculate the number of mole in 60 gram of sodium. Mass of sodium. The number of mole is given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is 46 to 2 moles. Question number 61. Calculate the number of moles in 360 gram glucose. Molecular mass of glucose is 180 unit. The number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. 360 gram upon 180 gram mole inverse equal to 2 moles. Question number 6. What is the number of molecules in 0.1 moles of carbon? Number of molecules is number of moles multiplied by Avogadro number. Number of molecules, number of moles equal to Avogadro number. Moles 0.125 multiplied by 6.0222 multiplied by 10 to power 23 is equal to 1.505 multiplied by 10 to power 23 molecules. Question number 6 is what is the mass of one molecule of water? Molecular mass of water is 80 unit and mass given mass of 6.02 multiplied 23 molecule of H2 equal to 18 gram. So 1 mole equal to 18 upon 6.02 multiplied 23 equal to 2.98 gram. What is the mass of one molecule of water? Question number 60. Calculate the number of molecule in 8 gram of oxygen gas. Molecular mass of oxygen gas 33 unit. Number of moles given 8 gram. 8 gram upon 32 equal to 0.5 moles. The number of molecules equal to 0.2 multiplied by 6.2 multiplied by 10 to power 23 equal to 1.5005055 multiplied 10 to power 23 molecule. Question number 65. What is the mass of 3.011 molecule of ammonia? Molecular mass of ammonia 16 unit. 6.0222 multiplied 10 to power 20 molecule ammonia have mass of 17 gram. Therefore, 3.00 multiplied molecule will have mass 17 upon 6.002 multiplied by 23 10 to power 14 multiplied 3.00 multiplied by 10 to power 23 equal to 17.0.5 gram. Question number 66. Which has more number of atoms? 100 gram of sodium or 100 gram of iron? Atomic mass of sodium is 23, iron is 56 unit. Mole of Na is 100 upon 23 equal to 4.35 mole. Atom of sodium is 4.35 multiplied by Na equal to mole of iron equal to 1.7 iron equal to 1.79 multiplied by Na. Therefore, 100 gram sodium has more atoms. Write chemical formula of naming of compound. Write the next portion पे writing chemical formula and naming compound पे आ गए हम. We are reaching the writing chemical formula and naming compounds. Question number 67. Write the formula of magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride MgCl2. Magnesium has valency 2 plus, chlorine has valency 1. Therefore, formula is MgCl2. Write the formula of aluminum oxide Al2O3. Aluminum has valency 3 plus, oxygen has valency 2 minus. Therefore, formula of aluminum oxide is Al2O3. Question number 16. Write the formula of calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide has formula CaOH whole types. Calcium has valency 2 plus, OH has valency 1 minus charge. So that's why calcium hydroxide have formula CaOH2 minus. Question number 70. What is the formula of sodium carbonate Na2CO3? Na2CO and sodium has valency 1 plus, carbonate has valency 2 minus. Question number 70. Write the formula of ammonium phosphate. NH4 will try 3O4. NH4 has valency 1 plus, phosphate has valency 3 minus. That's why its chemical formula is ammonium phosphate is NH4 tri whole try 3O4. Question number 70. Name the compound CuSO4 copper sulfate. Question number 73. Name the compound CaCO3 calcium carbonate. Question number 74. Name the compound KNO3 potassium nitrate. Question number 75. Name the compound Na2ZnO2 sodium zincate. Now question application and HOT high order thinking skills based question को करेंगे. Question number 70 is why do atom combine? Atom combine to achieve stable electronic configuration, usually having 8 electrons in their atomic cell octet rules. Atom combine to achieve a stable configuration, usually having 8 electrons in their atomic cell is octet rule. Question number 77. What is the difference between an atom and molecule? An atom is the smallest particle of an element. A molecule is the smallest particle of an element or compound that is capable of independent action. A molecule can be made of one atom, helium, or more than one atom. Example as O2, H2O. Question number 78. What is the difference between molecular mass and molecular formula unit mass? Molecular mass is used to covalent compound like H2O, CO2, which exists in a molecule. Formula unit mass is used for ionic compound like NaCl, CaO, which do not exist as discrete molecule but form a lattice. Question number 79. What is not possible to see an atom with naked eyes? Because atoms are extremely small in size with radius of order of 10 to power minus 10 meters. Question number 80. What is the chemical formula of plaster of Paris? Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Formula CaSO4 half H2O. CaSO2SO4 dot H2O. R2S CaSO4 dot H2O. Question number 81. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Write its formula. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Formula NaSCO3. Question number 82. What is the chemical name of washing soda? Write its chemical formula. Sodium carbonate decahydrate. Na2CO3 10H2O. Question number 83. What is the mass of 1 mole of electron? Mass of 1 electron is 9.1 multiplied by 10 to power 31 kg. Mass of 1 mole of electron equal to 9.1 multiplied 10 to power multiplied by 6.022 multiplied by 10 to power 23. Question number 8. You calculate the number of mole of 12.004 multiplied 10 to power atom of carbon. Number of mole equal given mass of particle divided by Avogadro number. So it's 12.0044 multiplied 10 to power 23. 22 divided by 6.022 multiplied 10 to power equal to 0.2 moles. Question number 8. You find the mass of 2.5 molecule of oxygen atom. Uh, Answer mass of equal to number of moles multiplied by molar mass equal to 2.5 moles multiplied by 60 gram equal to 40 gram. Question number 8. Which contain more molecule? 10 gram of sulfur dioxide or 10 gram oxygen? Molecular mass sulfur dioxide 64, oxygen is 32 unit, mass mole of sulfur dioxide 10 upon 60 1.55 mole, moles of oxygen is 10 upon 30 is equal to 3 moles, since mole of oxygen moles as well as 10 gram of oxygen contain more molecules. Question number 87. If 1 mole of carbon atom weighs 12 gram, What is the mass of one atom of carbon? Mass of 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 atom of carbon equal to 12 gram. To 1 atom of carbon equal to 12 upon 6.002 23 equal to 1.93993 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Question number 88. What is the valency of nitrogen in ammonia and in N2O5? In ammonia valency is nitrogen is 3, in nitro valency is 5. An element X has valency 3, write its chemical formula with carbonate ion. Carbonate ion is CO3. The formula will be X2CO3 whole twice. Question number 90. An element Y has valency of 2. Write the formula with sulfate. Sulfate ion is SO4. The formula will be YSO4. Question number 91. The formula of metal chloride is MCl2. What will be the formula of its phosphate? In MCl2, the metal ion M has valencies of plus2 phosphorus ion of PO4. The formula of M3PO4 whole twice. Question number 92. Verify the calculation that the molecular formula of glucose is C6H12, C6. Atomic mass carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 16. Molecular mass from formula 6 multiplied 12 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 1 plus 6 multiplied by 16 equal to 72 plus 7 12 upon 118. This matches the given molecular mass, hence verified. Question number 90. What is the ratio of number of atom in 16 gram of oxygen and 14 gram of nitrogen? Mole of oxygen atom equal to 16 gram upon 16 gram mole, 1 mole now. Number of oxygen atom is equal to n. A mole of n atom equal to 14. 14 divided by 14 gram per mole equal to 1 mole of number of nitrogen. So ratio is 1:1. Question number 94. Calculate the number of water molecule in a drop of water with weighing 0.9 gram. Mass of water is molar mass of H2 is 13. Number of mole is 0.1 gram. 0.9 gram equal to upon 18 0.05 moles. Number of molecules 0.05 multiplied by 6.022 multiplied by 23 equal to 3.011 multiplied by 10 to the power 22 molecules. Question number 90. What is the mass of 0.2 mole of oxygen atom? Mass equal to number of moles multiplied by atomic mass. So 0.2 multiplied by 16 equal to 3.2 gram. Question number 96. Find the mass of 0.5 moles of carbon dioxide. Mass equal to number of moles multiplied by molecular mass. So 1.5 multiplied by 44 equal to 66 gram. Question number 97. Calculate the number of atom in 0.5 moles of nitrogen. Number of atom equal to number of moles multiplied by 2 number. 0.5 multiplied by 6.022 10 to power 23, 3.0011 multiplied by 10 to power 23 atoms. Question number 98. Calculate the number of molecule in 11 gram of carbon dioxide. Molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram per moles. Number of moles 11 gram divided by 44 gram moles inverse equal to 0.25 moles. Number of moles molecule equal to 0.25 multiplied by 6.022 multiplied by 10 to power 23 equal to 1.555055 multiplied by 10 to power 23 molecules. Question number 99. What is the mass of 0.3 moles of ammonia? Molar mass of ammonia is 17 gram per moles. Mass equal 0.3 multiplied by molar mass. Why is symbol of iron is Fe not Ir? The symbol of element is often derived from the Latin language. The Latin name of iron is ferrum, hence the symbol of iron is Fe not Ir. So guys, this list cover the entire chapter of comprehensively and will be extremely helpful for your revision and exam preparation. Good luck. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.